welcome to another episode of Cooking with Kid Joy. On today's episode, we'll be making homemade banana pudding. Let's get started. So now we scald the milk. And then add vanilla. Pour the milk in there first and then add the vanilla. Next step, we're going to pour the cornstarch and the sugar with the eggs. And then beat the eggs up. Now we pour the sugar and the milk and vanilla. Now my dad's gonna temper the eggs and the milk. Dad, never mind.
This keeps from cooking the egg yolk, so we just put some of the scalded milk on top of the egg mixture. It's called tempering.
Okay. Now we're gonna put the tempered egg yolk back into the milk.
The reason why you temper is you want to keep from making scrambled eggs.
And what will it mix it up? Into pudding?
Yeah, this is about to be pudding for the banana pudding. But once you put it in here, you can't stop stirring. So you'll stir for about 5 to 10 minutes.
I'm getting a better view. Look at it. It just keeps going and going.
So you see this, son?
Yes.
See how thick that is? That's what you're looking for. That's a consistency. Once this cools down, it's going to be thicker. It's going to be like pudding. I'm going to pour that all over the banana pudding. So you cut this off. That's how you know it's ready.
Okay. So now my dad is going to cut the bananas. First we peel the banana peel off. And then cut the banana.
Hey, getting away from me.
Oh, that's funny. That's
keep
so
spilling.
funny. Yeah, they're running away from you like crazy. Like they want to say, I want to live. Now my dad and I are gonna build a banana pudding. So you got a couple of vanilla wafers. That should be enough.
Swap spots.
Alright. Next, we pour the pudding on the cookies. Then add some banana. Now my dad's gonna add another layer of cookies. And then add more banana. Now we add more pudding. Now the last layer of cookies. Cover and refrigerate it for 3 hours. So here's our homemade banana pudding. That looked really delicious. And I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, leave your comments below and leave a like. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye!